Open the life-saving kit by tearing off the top part. Pull out all contents at once by grabbing the carton inlay. Inside, you'll find the tourniquet, resuscitation mask, trauma bandage, thermal blanket, and nitrile gloves. The instructions are printed on the cardboard inlay. Based on the country of purchase, you can find different languages on each side.